Beauty of Joseon has a new sun product out. You guys are probably as curious about this as I am, so let's try this out. This is a sun serum, so I'm very curious how it's going to be different from their existing sunscreen. As you know, this is the first time I'm testing this. Wow, it actually is a serum, but I've tried little different sun serums and essences before, but never something that is in this kind of a formula. Wait. Holy shit. I am so impressed. I'm gonna do another layer, but I have a very good feeling that this is going to apply so well over makeup. There's no pilling, and they have this technology where they can encapsulate the actives inside and also blend it well with the sunscreen actives. Speechless. Speechless, you guys. That you get with niacinamide that helps to brighten your skin at the same time. Wow. Yeah, I would add that to cart ASAP.